This is the Marinebaby fishing rod holder. It's made out of aluminum. It's nice silver color. It matches the date on this boat right here. I'm very happy with this. I didn't use the screws to put in. You see, I just zip tied it. I want to make sure this is where I'm going to be keeping it, but I have used this for a couple days right now, and I'm very happy with it. The rods stay in here when you're moving, no issues. It's not moving at all, so I have 4 just clear zip ties on here, and it just works really well. It does come with the hardware if you do want to screw it in, but I like the idea of just zip tying it for now to make sure I'm going to keep it here. But overall, I'm very satisfied with this. This is in a Sun Tractor pontoon. It's just on the bat gate. The rest of the areas were too contoured. This was the best place for it here. And just like I said, when we're moving, the rods don't go anywhere. We were traveling with them inside before, and just with all the hooks and everything, just was a mess. This keeps it nice and streamlined. So I'm very happy with this product. We went with the 4-1 here. You can see the gate has a little bit more area on each side here, but this was a perfect fit for the bat gate right here, and I highly recommend this one. Again, it's the Marinebaby 4 fishing rod holder in the aluminum. Highly recommend this one.